Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make Knorr soup. First, gather your ingredients and equipment. You'll need a Knorr soup packet, the recommended amount of water or milk, a cooking pot, and a stirring spoon. Making delicious soup is simple when you follow a few easy steps. Let's get started with the preparation. To begin, carefully empty the full contents of your Knorr soup packet into a clean cooking pot. Next, measure and add the exact amount of cold water or milk as indicated on the package. It's crucial to stir the mixture continuously with a spoon to ensure all the powder dissolves smoothly and no lumps form. This creates a consistent base for your soup. Once the mixture is smooth, place the pot on the stove over medium heat and bring it to a rolling boil. As soon as it boils, reduce the heat to low and let the soup simmer gently for about 5 to 7 minutes. Remember to stir it occasionally during this time to prevent it from sticking to the bottom of the pot. Your Knorr soup is now ready to enjoy. For an even heartier meal, consider adding some cooked chicken, shrimp, or your favorite fresh vegetables during the last few minutes of simmering. A sprinkle of fresh herbs like parsley or chives can also elevate the flavor. Don't forget to taste and adjust the seasoning with a pinch of salt or pepper if needed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.